welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing a big box filled with things, and the main event is unboxing the iPad Pro 12.9 inches Generation 4. And my parents gave me this as a reward for doing well in school, so I'm very excited to open it up. Okay, so let's open the box. So inside there's many accessories and stuff. So there's this pencil that I got, the Apple Pencil Generation 2, and then there's this screen protector. And here's the main event. The box. And one last one is the pencil tip, so I don't break the tip of the pencil. And lastly, I already opened this one, but I got a case for the Pro iPad. So yeah. Okay, so I bought this from Amazon, and let's just open it. So there's a little tab right here. I'm just gonna open it like this. Okay. Dun da da da! It's in there. Let's check it out. I'm excited. Okay, here it is. Oh my god, it's huge. Look at it. Okay, so that's the big thing, and it's very huge. And we're gonna be opening it and then putting this on. So we're gonna take our trusty box opener and open it. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Oh, I think there was a there was like a little thing here. I didn't know. Oh well. Yay! Okay, so that's out of the way. Let's open it. Okay, it's kind of like hard to open. Struggling here. These boxes are very hard to open. Beautiful. So this is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it yet because I'm going to open the pencil first. So this is the main event, and we'll get the other main event, which is the pencil right here. Okay, so there's a little tab. We pull it out and we open it. Aha. So I'm very excited about this. This is pretty huge too. So let's just... Oh, there's a tab to open. Wow. Okay, so there's that. And then there's this instructions in here. It's a manual. So that's cool. And then we have the pencil. So the pencil we open. This is what it looks like. Oh. It's kinda heavy. It's kinda huge and heavy. But like, it's fine. So we're just gonna put that back, and we're gonna go back to the iPad. My parents decided to get me an iPad and the pencil because of my academic reward, and I'm very excited about that. So we're just gonna put on the protector now on here. So I'm very scared of... Okay. It's very nice. It's very heavy. So this is what it looks like. And we're not gonna be touching the screen because prints. I'm just gonna open it like so. Ooh, okay, Miss Girl. there we are. Now we are going to be taking this. We're gonna open it. This is the screen protector. Okay. I guess that should be enough to open. So this is a screen protector, which is paper-like, so it feels like you're drawing on paper. And this is a 2-pack, I believe. Yeah, so we're gonna get the paper thing out like so. We have these, and that's basically inside. Put that aside. We're gonna take this and put this. Oh, it comes with 2. Okay, great. Just gonna put these there. Now we're gonna put this on here. I'm gonna put this on here too. We're gonna put our trusty dandy. Okay, there we are. Before we start, in the box we have this little thing that Apple always comes with, and you open it and there's like a manual, instructions, and the Apple logo stickers. So that's very exciting. Okay, let's put it back. Put it back, please. That's that, and it comes with its own charger. And that is what inside of the box. And now we're gonna be putting on the screensaver. Here it is. Okay, so we have the iPad on here, and now we're gonna take our screen protector, open this up, here we go, pretty fancy. Okay, so we're gonna put that aside. We're gonna clean this part first. We have the lens wipe. Okay, make sure there's no fingerprints. I'm very excited about this because I want to work on this and take some notes for class. So yeah, now we're gonna take off some dust because I can see some dust with this sticker. Just gonna bap bap. Now that I think about it, I should have flipped this like this first. Okay. And we're gonna take the stickers, take this. Oh, actually, I did the right thing, I think. So, just gonna keep wiping. here is the iPad in all of its glory. And we're gonna, oh, it's upside down. Oh, no, it's not. And we're gonna turn it on. Aha, there you go. Open sesame. The screen protector is like the screen protector catches the like a lot of dust, so that's one con of this screen protector. But here you go. We're gonna open it and we're gonna log in. Okay, so this iPad is going to be a help for editing some videos with my mom, and it'll just be a handy to keep on the go. So let's just log in. United States. I'm gonna do this and I'll get back to you. So this iPad is going to be really useful for taking notes, drawing, doing some something for free, you know, some games. And I am just very thankful to have this. It's literally the size of my big head, even bigger. So I'm very excited to work with this. And so this iPad is really good for authors and writers. And since I have the pencil with me, I'm going to be writing a lot, and that means I want to be a writer and I want to create and illustrate and do a lot of things with notes and just taking charge of how to be a better writer on this iPad. So I think that's really good for here, and that's practically my hobby. So this iPad is good for poem writers and story writers because it's a lot of work to write on, and it's really good. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See you next time.